Hi, this is Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings. I am at Secrets Cozumel Resort, and we're going to do a very quick walk through here. Sorry, I forgot my microphone. It's kind of windy today, so hopefully my voice isn't too choppy. First, I want to start out. This is the Preferred Club beachfront rooms. And this is one of the newer buildings in the Preferred Club section. The beach and ocean here. Really awesome. Today is windy. Just kind of hit some weather. It's October. 2 days ago it was absolutely calm and beautiful. This is one of the best beaches for snorkeling. Absolutely phenomenal. So it's a great place for diving and snorkeling. That's pretty much what most people come here for. Also just a fantastic resort for Cozumel. Adults only if you want all-inclusive. So again, this is one of the newer buildings. They are going to be adding on. This resort has been here a very long time. So they're constantly updating and remodeling. One of the places that they're going to be redoing is the Preferred Club pool. Preferred Club pool. They used to have like a smoke bar there. That's all going to be redone. This is one of the main pool areas. There's a swimmer bar there for Preferred Club. And I did do another video of a Preferred Club Junior Suites pool view from right over there. So you have to watch my other vlogs at Shan Honeymoons to see what the inside of the room looks like. Cool hammocks. All the junior suites look the same on the inside. It's just the amenities, locations, and views that change as you upgrade. I feel this is a property you absolutely want. The Preferred Club, it's worth the upgrade because then you have all-inclusive access to Dreams, which is a brand new property just down the lane here, and all-inclusive access to Sunscapes, which is kind of like the junior brother property of this one. Those are both family resorts. This makes this resort great for destination wedding groups because if you want to have an adults only option, as long as you're in the Preferred Club and you have guests over at Dreams too that have kids, you can accommodate both because they have all-inclusive access to each other. Nice photo op here. Water Sports Center. So this is one of the bigger properties for an all-inclusive in Cozumel, and pretty much one of the only adults only. This is non-Preferred Club section, but you have covered chairs, which is super nice. Over there with the huts, that would be Preferred Club beach area. This pier is great for small weddings. Super windy though. That'd be a nice, really beautiful, intimate setting for a very small, I would say 25 or under max. And one thing to know, if I haven't said it already, is the sunsets here are absolutely amazing. The sun literally sets right there. It's like its own show every day. So over here is the wedding event space for Secrets if you are only adults only for beach. You'd want to work with us directly on that, and we'll connect you with the wedding department here and work with you on getting your wedding ceremony, reception, and all the lots of different locations for that and what works best for you. This is one of the pools. There's lots of little quiet pools around here. And these are more of the original buildings. It's another reason to work with us. I'm going to sound like a broken record saying that because depending on what your preferences are and what you like and your style of vacation, where we would recommend you what room category to book and even what building we can request. We know lots of little tips like the numbers of corner rooms and things like that. Requests are never guaranteed, but that's why we come to properties like this, so we can learn the tricks and trades and exactly how to get those requests honored to the best of their ability. So here's Barefoot Grill, really great place for lunch, dinner, and breakfast. And take a look at a swim out suite. So this would be a swim out suite. Hot tub. And we're going to go this way. Try to get to the lobby here. Show you some of the bars. Don't know if we can cut through there, so we're going to go back on the beach. I'm going to stay quiet because I know the wind is chopping my voice up. So just take it in. The scenery. Now they do have Bali beds that you can rent for additional cost. I don't know if that's really worth it, to be honest with you. There's so many other places you can hang out that are included, unless that's your absolute love, is towing in Bali beds, then that on the beach all day, and that could be worth it. So talk to us about how much that costs. Here's a quiet pool, and this is also an event space for wedding receptions that can all be turned into a beach area or beach reception area under the stars, set up elegant furniture. And this deck area can be used for a small cocktail hour as well. We're going to go up into the lobby. This is the quiet pool. I think I said that. And here's the lobby area. I'm gonna sidebar over here real fast. I believe these are the junior suite pool view. The lobby bar. Take a look what you've had for dinner. Just a quick peek. So that's where Amstar is. You can book all your tours and excursions, which I would highly recommend. They have some really cool different things here. Wait till this moves, but we have a chef's table, special dinners you can do. These are additional costs, but like a Mayan dinner with ritual show. Pretty cool and a unique experience. And then the chef's table is unique to this area as well, so we can tell you more about that too. Great place for romantic dinners. Here's the lobby area. So here's something fun that they have as well. Something different. Sip and paint under the stars. And, oh, the Sky Bar. Okay, I haven't even gotten to the Sky Bar yet. I want to see this. So we're both going to discover it together, and hopefully it's not locked. Love Sky Bars. Under the stars. I'm a martini person. It's great to get a martini. Windows. I think we gotta keep going up. Ooh, now we're gonna get a workup. Sorry, this is not exciting at all to listen to me go up the stairs. Might have just ruined this video, and I'll have to discover how to edit. Oh, here we go. See? All right, note the stairs. We should see if there's elevators. Okay, I will find out if there's elevators. If you're in heels, I don't care in what shape you're in, this is a lot. Okay. Sky bar. Elevator. Now they tell us. Ooh. Sushi restaurant. Trying to be all cool, like I'm not out of breath still, but I am. So this can also be used as a private event space. Really cool for private reception, cocktail hour, or just hanging out on a regular evening. A lot of ambiance here at night. Ocean right there. I would come right up here and during sunset. We're over at Dreams right now, and I have my 12-year-old with me, so we won't be able to do it this round, but sunset would be awesome from here. I can only imagine. With your favorite cocktail. And a really cool private event space. Not just for weddings, but even if you're a company. Okay, well, I don't think, oh, let's peek in the sushi bar real quick. Well, that looks fun. I don't think you guys want to follow me back down the stairs and have to watch all that. So I will end this video here. For more vlogs, you can watch Shan Honeymoons on my YouTube channel. You can contact us at travelbyblissful.com or any of my colleagues at blissfulhoneymoons.com, and we will be happy to get you here for your adults only vacation, destination wedding, corporate leisure group, girls getaway, friends getaway, guys getaway, diving getaways. Epic location for diving. Absolutely great for groups. And contact us for more photo galleries on this property.